Welcome back to your own channel, Elevate English with Geeta Ma'am. Today I am here to discuss my views on drug addiction. Drug addiction is a burning question of today's generation. Actually, it is the burning problem we can say because you can see everywhere that there are some victims of drug addiction. They are just ruining their life by getting into drugs. It is really a fatal problem for our youngsters, and there are particular causes because they are taking these drugs. And I just want to highlight these causes. These causes are some causes are for family problems, and some causes are for personal problem as well. Actually, mostly youngsters are taking drugs because somewhere they are not feeling confident and skilled enough and capable enough to just overcome their problems, their personal problems as well as their family issues. So one major problem is their family problems and their personal problems, and apart from that, there are so many problems. There is pressure of being judged by others, and there is pressure of getting good job, and there is pressure of to prove themselves in front of their elders and near and dear ones. And apart from that, there are numerous causes that why they are just getting into this problem. So first of all, I would like to say that the major problem of getting drugs is that somewhere they are just taking and indulging in stress. They are not able to cope with their stress. Whenever they feel that nobody is there to listen to them, so that time they feel very alone, and they started taking help of these kind of drugs. And these drugs are totally ruining their life. Sometimes they are taking these drugs on every now and then, and sometimes once in a blue moon. But it becomes their habit. They are becoming tend to take these kind of drugs on daily basis. So they also know that somewhere it is not good for them, for their mental health, for their physical health, and for their family and friends as well. But the reason is that for as they are taking drugs, so these all are the common problems that why they are just taking this, and why they are indulging themselves into these kind of addictions, because they feel that if nobody is listening to them in their family, so they need someone, and they need something so that they can mitigate their stress, they can mitigate their problems, and they would just want to feel that if they are taking this kind of thing, so for some time, or for a period of a spin, or a period of a small time, they would feel that they are totally away from all the situations and all the problems. So this is the thing. So another reason is that what we can do for them. There is there are lots of ways with that by adapting those ways we can just take them out, we can eradicate this problem, and in this way we can help them in living a fruitful and meaningful life. So if we just want to help them, so we should tell them that what are the pros and cons of taking addictions, taking these kind of drugs. So when they are aware of the pros and cons, so that time that time they will be serious to get rid of that. So the one major problem is their health. If they are taking it for a long period, so somewhere they are just entangled in lots of diseases, like they are becoming prey of lung cancer, and they are becoming prey of liver problems. So somewhere they are damaging their valuable internal organs as well. And when it comes to external organs, so somewhere they are just ruining their external one also, because what happens when they are so deep into drugs, so that time they are not aware of themselves, that where they are going, and where they are sitting, and what they are eating. So no, means everyone can make them harm. So this is the thing. If we are not aware, if they think that they are aware, so that time they can be very useful for their future, because somewhere they will think that yes, this is my responsibility. I have to just pay attention towards my health. And if they would be aware about their health, so they would think about others as well, because first and foremost is our health. And when we see that others people who are into these kind of addictions, so they are ruining their health. So first thing is they need to think about their health. And another thing is mental stress. When we are just taking these kind of drugs, so that time our mental condition is not so good, because at every single problem we think that only solution is drugs only. If we are taking drugs, so that time we are feeling that we are away from all kind of these problems. We can forget our all the sorrows and griefs, and we can be in some other world of enjoyment. But that enjoyment is for only short period, not for a longer time. And when it comes to other things, so we can say there is another point, that is our school life. It happens that there are many youngsters who just entangle in this addiction due to their lifestyle. They just want to they just want to express himself or herself, that they are up to date, and they are quite fashionable, and they are trendy. So sometimes because of these trivial reasons, they fail themselves into these kind of addictions. But these addictions are ruining their life. I don't know why they don't want to understand this important and vital thing, that is very profound for them to understand. If they are not going to understand this thing, that what is good for them and what is bad for them, so there is no doubt that in some couple of months, or in some couple of years, they are definitely going to ruin their life. And that time life would not be a bed of roses for them, because somewhere they would be in the condition of losing their health, their wealth, their friends, their families. There would be nothing. And at that time the condition goes back to worst. And the victim tried to commit suicide as well, because he feels totally alone, and he feels that there is no one to listen to him. There is no one with whom they can express their sorrows, and there is no one with whom they can share their feelings, their gloomy feelings. And in this way they just keep on entangling in this in this case, and it is really very difficult to come out of this kind of zone. So but we as our we are the social animal, so we should think about society, and especially the first and foremost responsibility of their family members. They should provide them an atmosphere of positivity, an atmosphere of love and care. They should listen to them so that they can share their feelings with them and their problems with them. And somewhere when they will share, so they will come to any conclusion of their mountain height problems. Okay, and in this way they will be able to sort out all the problems in their life with the atmosphere of love and care among their near and dear ones. So it is important, because when we get emotional support, we are able to eradicate all the bad issues, all the bad problems from our life. Because emotional intelligence is something, if we are emotionally attached with someone, so that time we listen to them, and we try to give them that atmosphere in which they feel confident, and they feel valuable, and they feel that yes, there is their existence, and this existence value a lot in their lives. So who can do this? Only you family members can do that and do this all. So just listen to them. And when it comes to friends, so friends are not only those who are fair weather friends. Friends are those who just listen to them, who are you would have listened that friends in need are friends indeed. So if you are true friend of this particular person, so just prove it, and give it your wisest hand, so that they can come out of this fatal problems. Okay, and other things we can discuss about drug addiction is that we should tell them that what is the pros and cons of new generation's lifestyle. Because nowadays everyone is getting into a bad lifestyle. They don't want to accept a healthier one. They always want to live a sophisticated life. They don't want to live real life. Okay, and somewhere they are showing off their wealth and their positions, whatever they have. They don't want to share their real estate of their life, like love, care, support, belief, friendship. So these all are the things with whom we can make them confident, we can make them lovable, we can make them affectionate, we can make them aware, and we can make them feel that how they can love themselves. We can tell them about the value of self love. If they will feel that what is self love and why they should indulge themselves into that, so they will come to know that what is good for them and what is bad for them. And another thing is that we should teach them the rules of healthy life. And somewhere we should take them to those kind of workshops that are especially organized for the people who are so much entangled in drugs, because they also motivate the people to get rid of these problems. So this is the thing that I just want to discuss when it comes to their life, that how their life is going to be by taking these kind of addictions. So we all can understand that what kind of life they are living, and what will be the consequences of these all outcomes in their life. So I think that we should think about them, and we should help them. We should support them wisely, and we should motivate them to just eradicate that problem from their life, and how they can eradicate and how they can live a happy life. Sometimes we can show them path of yoga, meditation, spirituality, and sometimes we can show them the value of self awareness and self love. So in this way we can make them aware that how important is your life, and there is no right to ruin this life in this way, because whatever life you are living, it is not only for you. This is concerned with others also, as your mother, father, your wife, your children. So you have no right to ruin that life. And really it is a very ferocious task who just commit suicide, because they are somewhere they are not getting money for spending on drugs, to purchase drugs, and these kind of issues also making this bad towards. They are just taking it down to lots of bad problems, like sometimes theft. They are stealing things, and they are committing suicides, and even they are ready to kill someone, to murder someone, and to cheat someone, no matter that whatever is he or she. But they are ready to do every bad deeds, every atrocious deed for the sake of this drug addiction. So I think that it is not only the way of talking only. It is not only the thing of talk, but it is a severe problem, and we should think it. And whenever we just observe that these kind of people are there, so we should make them understand wisely and politely, and we should tell them the value of life and the value of their single one, their existence, that why they have taken birth on this world. And God has given you this beautiful life not to ruin, but to know that what is your why you have come in this world, and your life is valuable. And whatever you have in your life, just spread that. And every God has sent to everyone with an specific reason. Just try to find out that reason, and mitigate all the problems aside. Okay, and just try to be a person, not to live for others, but live for yourself. I think if you would just listen it carefully, and if you would have comprehended whatever I just want to say, so it will be a good initiative from my side. If for a single person I am able to awaken from any kind of these kind of issues. I hope that you would love the content. If you love, so please subscribe and like my videos. Bye bye. Have a nice day.